Hello guys, I apologize for not making videos. I'm not very active in this month, but I'm coming back. Now, the video of today is about risk. You know, if you don't understand risk in trading in general, since we are doing swing trading, or in investing, you don't know what to do or what is your risk in what you are doing, you end up losing a big chunk of your money. Now, a few months ago, I spoke about Bitcoin and I said it could go to $1. Some of the guys, they say, how come? Why it goes to $1? It was $69,000. I said, it's just because it is not backed by anyone. It's just people. There is a bubble like this. Some people have made a lot of money these years, but it comes to an end after it reached $69,000, and then it goes down. Now it's about 19,000 something. Okay, so the risk in cryptocurrencies is more dangerous than stocks. Stocks, I'm speaking in general. I'm not speaking for businesses that are losing business and you invest in a business that you see it's going down for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and it didn't stop going down, down. Continues to go down, and you hold. And online, you find people asking you to hold because stocks will come back. This is not true. Not all the stocks come back. Yes, the market come back. It should, but in few years. But not stocks. Not all the stocks. And it seems to me that a lot of people, they don't understand either in investing. For example, they invest in one company or 2 or 3 or 4, and they are losing business, and they are losing a lot of money. Even though the market redresses and the whole market comes back, their stocks, they are continuing to go down, and they are okay with that. It means here they have no clue what they are doing in investing. Now, let's go back to swing trading, which we do here. As always, I'm always speaking about swing trading. Swing trading is you follow the trend. Now, you follow the trend with some stocks or the indexes or whatever you want. Now, understand that from the first day in this year, 2022, everything collapsed. Okay? Except lately with the energy sector, which was doing good after during the war with Russia and Ukraine. Okay, things were good for energy sector, and I have mentioned that a lot in my membership. Those who are following me in my membership, because we follow weekly, we see what's going on into the sectors, indexes, and the stock market in general. What's going to do through the charts. Because for me, as you know, for a long time, I don't use what the people say. Okay? So from the beginning of the year, each year, there are some people who said that the market will collapse. Now, this year, yes, the market collapsed. it doesn't mean that they are right, because each year, from the beginning of the year, they say it, and when it happens, they say, "Oh, okay, didn't I tell you that the market will collapse?" Okay. Almost all the big billionaires are shorting the stocks. And this, I think, there are a lot of people, they are still naive. They are naive. They don't understand that these billionaires are the ones who are hitting the market. It's not because of the economy. Okay? The proof of that, in 2020, 2021, the market was doing great. And we were in Corona, and the numbers of deaths are a lot. The number of those who have been contaminated with Corona, they are a lot. But why the market was doing good? Although companies are doing bad. Okay? Because those guys, they invest too much. After the collapse of the market for 1 month, after the news of Corona in USA. So we have the first case in Corona in USA in the 27th January 2020. As you might know, if you have checked my videos in 2020, you'll find that. Now, from the beginning of the year, the trends have stopped going up. It means it's the end, except for energy sector. Okay, it was doing good until lately, until like 1 month, and it collapsed also. So if you are following a trend and it stops, what you should do, this is your job. It's not the market who tells you, send you an email, or your broker sends you an email, or he calls you and he say, oh, the market is going down, exit, or buy put options, or sell short. No one will tell you that. Okay? But what they tell you is, oh, the market is collapsing. Yes, we know that the market is collapsing. But the main thing in risk is to know what to do. Because when the market is collapsing, there is a direct consequence for your money. Your money will shrink. The stocks are going down. And if you leave them like this without doing anything, your account will be wiped out. Okay? You check some trades that you have done and you didn't exit. What will happen? Although, also, the main thing that you should do is always see the highest price. Don't see where you bought. For example, you bought a stock at 100. It goes to 200, for example, last year. So you are making 100% for your money, which is great. You follow a trend in that stock. You make money 100%. And then you think that the trend will continue and you make more money. But from 1st, 2nd of January or 3rd of January, this stock is going down. So you will lose all your 100% that you have accumulated last year. And then maybe it goes less than 100. It means you see that you lose 5% or 10%. And you say to yourself, oh, it is just 5%, 10%. It's not true. You have lost, if it is 100 now, you have lost 100, you have lost 50% of your money. Because what you have is 200. You did not sell at 200 or 90 or 80, and you keep your profit, 80% profit, 90% profit, whatever profit that you like, waiting for another trend. but the trend doesn't come. And the trend down continues to go down, to go down, to go down, and you hold and you hold. And there are, you follow some people, oh, hold, because the market will come back. But you are losing money. All the profit of last year, you lose it this year. And this is not really trading. And even investing, it's not really investing. So there is a problem of risk that you are undertaking, but the main thing is you should know what to do, because this has a relation with psychology. It means when the stocks are going down and you own stocks and they are going down after they're going up for many months, you always said to yourself, oh, if I sell, I lose some of my money. The market will come back and my stocks will go up, and that's it. But this idea, it doesn't help you always. And when there is a big downtrend like this year, you see that you have done mistakes. The big mistakes that you have done is you don't know what to do. So you are like paralyzed. Okay? Paralyzed, it means you don't know what to do and you just hold. You hold losers. And this will make you lose a lot of money. Now, if you have seen some of the big billionaires, what they do when at the beginning of the year, when things show that it's wrong and the market will be going down, what they do? They take some of money and they give it to hedge funds in order to short the market. Bill Gates shorted Tesla. And we have this is funny between Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, and Bill Gates. Bill Gates shorted Tesla, I think 500 million. He put it against Tesla with a hedge fund or so. You see that? And when they ask him why you short my company, it's a very good company and we are doing some good stuff. It's just, he said, I should, Bill Gates said, I should diversify. What does it mean? It means when the market is going down, people, either they short the market, selling short, or they short the indexes, or they buy put options, or they exit the trades or the investment. They just exit. They take their money out of the market. These are the solutions. So for you, I don't know if you have done one of those. If you don't do and you hold, even if the market goes up in the future, it means you have lost a lot of money. And this money, even if the market redresses, the stocks redresses again, it could be a waste of many months. It could be 1 year or two. Sometimes it's 3 months, 3 years, 4 years, like what did happen before. Okay? So it's not just you lose this year, next year you will make money. Sometimes 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, sometimes even 4 years, and the whole market is going down. So no one knows. Okay? So this is my point of view of risk. So this idea of risk, you should take it as very, very important. And this is the most important thing in trading or investing, is you should see your risk. What are you risking when you are doing something? Some in cryptocurrencies, they have been wiped out. And you have seen Luna. Everybody who have put 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, and they told him, you become next year, become a millionaire. And then he find that all his money had been wiped out. So these people are naive. they can't just understand that everything is dangerous. You should act on time. You should not stay that longer. Okay? So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Please, those who did not subscribe, they are just watching, and please subscribe to get more of these videos. Thank you very much.